Hey guys, Shelby and Wallace here again on another great adventure. Shelby, where are we?
We are back in Pigeon Forge with our boys, Potato Bandit, Scouter, and King Boo, as well as Wallace's mom, Gangan, and we are at downtown Flavortown.
Yeah, we're here in Pigeon Forge, and we have reservations for duckpin bowling, and we're gonna go in and let the boys check out the arcade because our youngest, King Boo, he has been dying to get out here ever since he's seen our video on downtown Flavortown, and we finally made it. So you go in with us and let's check this place out together.
Let's do this. Paper bag. Well, as you can see, King Boo and Scouter 2 are extremely excited to be here. What?
I'm screaming because
that was a very hard secret for Potato Bandit and I to keep as we drove along.
He screamed because of what? This! Flavortown.
We start this adventure checking out the arcade as we wait for our duckpin bowling reservation. To see more of Downtown Flavortown's arcade, check out the video link above for our other Downtown Flavortown review.
Maybe. Oh, that's these things.
Now it's time to do some bowling. We got our favorite number, lane 13.
Alright guys, here goes Shelby. Let's see what she's going to do. Take out all the center. Concentration, here we go. And release. Oh!
This is not going
Good try, Shelby, good try.
Get her done, Potato Bandit.
Good job, buddy.
You'll get them next time, Scouter. Well, we had some technical difficulties, but the folks at Downtown Flavortown were awesome to work with. They got us switched over to lane 14, comped us the time we missed, and they made our boys' day with all the ducks that kept appearing.
Ooh, that's how it's done, folks.
It's all in the lucky duck.
We had some friendly dinner guests, a young man and his trusty unicorn.
Hi. Hello.
King Boo and Scouter loved watching the food being fixed from the chef's corner.
Oh, that looks good. Did anybody order like a pizza thingy in order?
Trash can nachos, anyone?
Thank you. Queso dip, Cajun pasta, mac and cheese with goldfish? Oh my, we sure are eating good tonight, adventurers.
Time to let the boys trade their points in at the cool Redemption Center.
We hope you've enjoyed this trip back to downtown Flavortown. I know we had a great time.
We truly did.
Yeah, here with Potato Bandit and King Boo and Scouter and Shelby and I. We had a great time here, especially with the duckpin bowling.
Yes.
We had a few issues there. They worked it out. We appreciate their hospitality here. It's always phenomenal, and we highly encourage you guys to come here and check it out in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So a funny thing just happened. We were working on our Downtown Flavortown video when some packages were delivered. We went outside to get them, and this is what we found. A Downtown Flavortown package, which is really cool.
It was really neat. There is an awesome note inside that says, "Please enjoy this surprise from us as a token of our appreciation for you. We hope it'll add as much happiness to your day as you added to ours." So we're really excited, and the coolest part is a signed Downtown Flavortown hat by Guy Fieri.
You know, no cap. It's really happened.
It really did.
So that was pretty cool. I just wanted to let you know that, and yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Thank you, Downtown Flavortown.
Thank you, Downtown Flavortown, so very much. We hope to get back out there soon to dine with you guys again.
Can't wait.
Can't wait. And until next adventure,
See ya.
see ya.